What's up, everyone? This is Scott with PWWcards.com, getting ready to do another blaster box. This one's for Jason. Jason, thanks so much for picking this up. Good luck, man. Hopefully you got something in here good for you. Here we go. So that last pack, at least out of our first two blasters, or the last pack is a rookie green Mosaic. It'd be nice to get a Joe Burrow or Herbert, Tua. John Riggins, Jamal Adams, Lamar Jackson Pro Bowl, and a Brett Favre Old School. Cooper Kupp, Andre Johnson, Allen Robinson. There's a Leonard Fournette green. That might be, I don't know if they make a run with Tampa Bay. Big cool card. All right, next one. Rod Woodson, Dalvin Cook. There's a Van Jefferson rookie. And then a Will to Win it Dak Prescott Mosaic. Nice Dak. Cam Chancellor. Tony Gonzalez. Zeke. And then a green Jimmy G. Jimmy G. All right. Next pack, Jared Cook. Yannick Ngakoue. There's a CeeDee Lamb NFL debut. Not bad. And then a Touchdown Masters Brett Favre. All right, next pack. Randall Cunningham, Kevin King, David Montgomery, and then a Zeke Mosaic. Nice Zeke. Oops, don't want to drop that. All right, two packs still to go. Robert Woods, Drew Brees, KJ Hamler, and then a Got Game JJ White. Or Watt. JJ Watt. Not White. Well, he is white, but... Alright, moving along. Alright, last pack. Let's see what we've got. Landon Collins, Mark Brunell, Jarvis Landry, and then an NFL debut, Cole Kmet for the Bears. There you go. A little Chicago fun. Green debut for Cole Kmet. And that does it for your blaster. Thanks so much, Jason. Appreciate it, man.